What's up, MOPAR fam? I hope everybody's having a blessed day. So, if you see behind me, we're at the one and only best absolute muffler shop in the US of A. That's Troy's Muffler, up here where they make the Karnage mufflers. And we have two cars here today we're going to get worked on. So let's check them out. And my son's Christmas gift from me, which was pretty cool. I made up this little gift card for him. So I gave him that for Christmas. Oh yeah, Troy's Muffler, $500. So, what we got is, we got Zoro here. We're going to do a little bit of changes on Zoro. We're going to try to quiet it down a little bit and take out some of the clappiness. We're going to try out the other long body Karnage mufflers he has, and then my son's Dakota RT pickup truck that you guys seen us get not long ago. We finally got it up and running. The transmission and everything's been rebuilt and fixed from Cope Racing Transmissions. And he just put some headers on the truck, but we got no exhaust at all. So Karnage is going to run us some new pipes all the way from the headers all the way back, however we want it done, with of course some Karnage mufflers. The truck is filthy as it's been sitting under the trees at home, waiting for the time for us to get it up here to get the exhaust on it. So this is another step towards getting it back on the road and being able to drive this thing. So again, if you guys have not seen Troy's Muffler up here in South Carolina, this is the front of his shop. They got a very nice facility, handful of lifts. They do everything, anything exhaust related, guys. If you need mufflers put on, they can do it. If you want custom exhaust on, they can do it. Absolutely anything you can dream up, they can do it. They are the best. That's why I drive an hour and a half from another state to come up here, because these guys are absolutely the best. This is the front of their shop right here. And I'm going to show you their little muffler stock here for the Karnage mufflers. So this is what Zoro has on currently on the Challenger. These are the Karnage Series 1. And these are very good mufflers. They sound great, but they are very, very loud. And since the car gets driven a lot out of state to all these racetracks, we're thinking about going to these big bodied ones, a little bit longer chamber. It's still gonna have a really deep grumble and tone to it, but it should be a little bit quieter. And my son's also thinking about dumping it behind the axle, so I don't know, we'll see how that goes. So you guys have heard Zoro many, many times going down the track, and the initial install of the first exhaust system that's on the car currently. Just kind of give you a recap of what we got going on. We got tips all the way out the back, 2.5 pipe, the Series 1 mufflers, X pipe, all the way to the factory manifolds. See if it has that. All right, these are the new long body ones right here. Here we go, firing it up. Poppy though, I bet. I don't know. He said with the pipes on it's going to be more poppy. Without the pipes it probably wouldn't have no pop. Yeah. So it's up to you. It's whatever you want. It probably have less that crackle to it, perhaps, but I don't know. You want to? I think I'm gonna do it. You want to try going down the road and see what you think real quick? Yes, yeah. Yeah, just back straight down. Alright, so this is same exhaust, but with the new long body mufflers. He's going to go down the road and see what we think. Man, it's cold out here. All right, man. He's stuck with it now.
Oh, no, he's still got it.
kind of, you can definitely tell it's less poppy when he cranks it, and deeper.
That sounds so weird.
When you cranked it, it didn't have that blah like it used to. It's more like a
rasp by now.
The rasp, yeah.
Every time I crank it in the morning, it like, when it's revving up to warm up, it's
like
so bad.
It's really bad.
That sounds sick as hell.
It's deep. It's really deep.
Sounds like a muscle.
Pull it out. He'll have to put some earphones inside, but
I know, right? It's gonna groan.
yeah. All right, so this is with the bigger Karnage mufflers with turn downs right at the rear end. It's a lot deeper, definitely less raspy, it sounds like. Like it's making my chest vibrate, it's so deep. It's a lot deeper, dude. You got a car coming down that way. Don't hit the bridge. It's definitely a lot deeper.
Oh yeah.
It sounds a lot deeper and cleaner. You like it? Yeah, that don't sound like the same car at all now.
It's crazy just how a couple more feet to pipe.
Yeah.
Change.
Yeah, that sounds so much deeper. Alright, so on the Dakota, he's got about, looks like we had the X pipe going in. We got passenger side pipe on. Driver's side pipe on, O2 sensors ready to rock. Getting there. Getting there. Go give her the beaners. All right, we're gonna do first startup on Drac DAC, the Dakota RT with the new Karnage exhaust system. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here. Want to hear it? Yeah. sounds badass. Hey, go that way. It sounds damn good. Damn, that thing sounds good.